Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. Delivers the power demanded by the user with a high-performance motor and 2-speed gearbox. Easily transition from drill to hammer mode for concrete, brick, and block applications. Hammer mechanism powers through material at 27,200 beats per minute. Half-inch metal ratcheting chuck minimizes bit slippage, and a 22-position clutch provides control during various fastening applications. LED work light brightens dark work areas. Additional features include battery fuel gauge, belt clip, and 2 magnetic bit clip holders. New 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour batteries delivers up to 33% more runtime. 20-volt max system also offers 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max hammer drill provides the power, durability, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. The Porter Cable 20-volt max system delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
Meet the 2 newest members of Black & Decker's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, Black & Decker's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing Black & Decker 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
This is the Bosch CLPK 23 7A-181 combo kit, which includes a cordless compact drill driver and impact driver. The compact drill driver, which is the HDS 181A, is the most compact, powerful, and durable half-inch drill driver with the longest runtime. Its 4-pole, high-performance motor puts out maximum power. The new patented gear train and clutch also set this drill apart, making it the lightest in its class. The ergonomic grip zone offers greater comfort, while the new drivetrain modifies the tool's orientation for easier handling. Electronic cell protection keeps the battery from overloading and overheating for longer runtime. The flexible power system means that this drill is compatible with every 18-volt lithium-ion battery that Bosch makes. The Bosch 25618 impact driver offers increased maneuverability in tight spaces and extended user comfort. Built with a high-performance motor and all-metal gears, this tool is versatile and rugged enough for any job site. Easily change bits with the 1/4-inch hex drive and tackle the toughest applications with 1,500 inch-pounds of torque. 2,800 RPM and 3,200 BPM delivers fast results, keeping you productive on the job. The LED light illuminates your work area, and at just 3.5 pounds, this tool is one of the most compact on the market. So there you have it. The Bosch CLPK 23 7A-181 combo kit. For more information on this kit, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.
Power tools, I look for something compact, light, durable. I mean, when I first looked at it, just noticed how slim it was. You know, our bags are 30 to 35 pounds and we're wearing them all day. So the lighter, the better, and this is definitely significantly lighter. But it's very maneuverable, it's very sturdy, more compact, so I'd be able to get it in tighter spaces. It felt great. I mean, it felt like it could handle any job I have.
Weight is very important, working overhead, constantly having my hands in the air. After using the Makita, it's definitely a lot lighter than the tools I'm currently using. Same power, I could use it all day.
The compatibility from one battery charger to multiple tools is huge. If I can have one battery for my drill and my impact, it's less things that I have to carry. I can keep everything from my drill, my impact, my circular saw, a light, all on one battery. I don't have to get up, I don't have to stop and change batteries. The shorter the charge time, the more I can stay busy. I would totally recommend the subcompact to my electrician friends and people I know in other trades. It's less weight to carry all day, you get the power that you need, and it lasts.
A cordless drill is probably the most useful power tool any household could have. This Ryobi ONE+ brushless drill driver is ideal for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as taking care of all your screw driving needs. Ryobi's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium plus battery technology to deliver more power and runtime in a smaller tool. A 13mm ratcheting keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide selection of accessories and locks them in place so they won't work themselves loose. And with up to 40 Nm of torque, it has plenty of power to drill even large holes quickly. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed gearbox means you're always in control. This drill takes all the guesswork out of screw driving. E-torque control automatically drives screws flush before slowing to a pulse, allowing you to set screws exactly where you want them, eliminating the need for manual torque settings. And whenever the trigger is pulled, a handy LED lights up your work area. When combined with our 2.5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can drive up to 800 4x32mm screws per charge. If you're new to the ONE+ system, you can pick this drill up as a starter kit with batteries and a charger. Otherwise, this drill is also sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this super versatile 18-volt drill will work with any ONE+ battery.
As we're drilling, it just pulls right through, you know, and you're there and done. A lot of power, a lot of torque.
First impression, Very compact, light, comfortable, easy to hold. Compactness of the drill is great. A lot of times with drilling and construction, you're super close to the studs.
We got to get in tight angles. We work in crawl spaces. We work in dark areas. We can do anything.
We're drilling easily 1,000 holes a day. You want to get that done as fast as possible. Being able to kick it over to fast gear, drilling through these studs, it works out great. We can pop it onto low speed and really concentrate on doing some of our bigger holes, 3-inch hole, 4-inch hole. The drill handles it.
They're quicker, they're faster, they're lighter, they're everything we've ever wanted.